In this demo, we are going to explore some of the device management features of Google Workspace for Education Standard and Plus, which can help you manage your BYOD and organization-owned iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. To get started, let's turn on Advanced Mobile Management. From the Admin Console homepage, go to Devices, Mobile and Endpoints, Settings, Universal Settings. Click on General, then Mobile Management. You can apply the setting to everyone or select specific organizational units. In this case, since we don't have an Apple Push certificate set up yet, we'll select Custom, then select Advanced Management for Android and click Save. Next, we can view, manage, and add organization-owned devices to our inventory by clicking on Company-Owned Inventory. To add devices, click the plus button. Select your device type and download the import template. Once downloaded, you can add devices to your template. Click to upload the template with your device information added, and then click Import. Now let's set up an automated rule to block access to any Android device when there are multiple failed screen unlocks. Click on Rules, then Add Rule. Rule from Template, and select the first rule. You can customize the name and description and apply the rule to your entire organization, a specific organizational unit, and/or a group. From here, you can edit the event that triggers the rule, as well as the conditions that must be met to trigger an action. We'll leave the defaults and click Continue. Next, we can select the action that's taken if the rule conditions are met, and select the checkbox to send an alert to the Alert Center, as well as send an email to super administrators. Finally, we can review the rule and click Finish. We can set up the rule as active or inactive, and click Complete. We can now see our new rule in the Rules table. Finally, we can get a report of mobile device activities using the device's audit log by clicking on Audits. We can customize the columns by clicking Manage Columns, add, remove, or move columns. We can filter the data by organizational unit, group, or date, or by clicking on Add a Filter and selecting the data we want to see. For example, let's look at Event Name, Suspicious Activity, and click Apply. Thankfully, there have been no suspicious activities on our devices. We can also download the data by clicking on the Download button and selecting our preferred format. Finally, we can view audit info for a particular device by clicking on the device ID or by selecting the device in Devices or Company-Owned Inventory. For example, with Company-Owned Inventory, we can see a particular device and click View Audit Info. For best practices on setting up mobile management security policies, and for additional device management features, such as Android zero-touch enrollment, enrolling Apple devices, and setting up context-aware access rules, please review the checklist in the Resources section.